Hey there, creators! In this quick Comtechpedia tutorial, I'll show you how to download Adobe Photoshop completely free for 7 days on any PC, Mac, or laptop. Start by clicking the official Photoshop trial link in the description. This will take you to Adobe's site, a safe and up-to-date platform for your download. On the page, click Start Free Trial under the individual plan. This gives you full access to Photoshop for 7 days with no restrictions. When you're on the page, you'll notice an option to try Adobe Stock. Keep it checked to get 10 premium assets free. These assets are yours to use however you want, even if you cancel the trial. It's a great bonus to enhance your Photoshop experience. Sign in or create a free Adobe account. You'll need to add a payment method, but rest assured you won't be charged if you cancel before the 7-day trial ends. Set a quick reminder just to be safe. After that, download the Creative Cloud desktop app, open it, and search for Photoshop. Click Install, and you're good to go. That's it. You now have Photoshop installed and ready to use, completely free for a week. It's the best way to explore all the features without spending a dime. If this guide was helpful, I'd appreciate it if you shared your experience. Leave a comment, hit like, and subscribe to Comtechpedia for more no-fluff tech tutorials like this. Catch you in the next one.